Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can save your tweets to your drafts and how you can tweet it later on. So press the plus button, and for instance, you type in hello and you want to save it to your drafts. Press cancel and press save draft. To tweet that draft, again, press the plus button, and as you can see, there is a draft text next to tweet. Click on it, and the tweet that has been the tweet that has been saved to draft will pop up, and you can just press tweet. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!